Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is me with no makeup. I just kind of filled my eyebrows in. I wanted to come on here real quick and do my Boxycharm unboxing for October. It just like 5 minutes ago came in the mail. I don't know what's in here, so we will find out together on camera. So we are gonna open the box up and immediately I can see what I have in here. And this is the Boxycharm candy shop, and it says save the date, enjoy exclusive members only discounts in our online pop-up. And I have version 56. The first thing that I see on the top here is Frank Body Glow Mask, and it says it's caffeinated, so it looks like this. And I don't know, 2.7 fluid ounces. We will see. I have never heard of Frank Body, but I love a good mask, so we will try that. The next thing I see is the Ace Beauté Draw It Lip Liner. Oh, the mask is $21.95. The lip liners, the lip liners are a duo and it's $16. And let's see what we have here. So these are the two lip liners. This one I already know is not going to be any good for me whatsoever. Way too light. Yeah, way too light. I can probably use it to sort of mute out some of the darkness on my lips. And what is this one? This one is called Be Peachy. And then there's a red one here called So Gorgeous. And this is a pretty red. I almost think you can fill your whole lip in with that. So those are the two lip liners. And like I said, those are $16. The next thing that I am pulling out is a brush set, and it is from Luxie. It's called the Luxie Wonderlust Set, and it is a $40 value. And it comes in a cute little black zipper bag with a rose gold zipper. And this is what the brushes look like. Nice, substantial looking brushes. There's an angle brush here. There's a crease brush. There's a smaller crease brush. There's a eyeshadow, just like a eyeshadow packing brush, I don't know what you call it. And then they give you a spoolie. Let's see, it says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, a blending brush, a medium angled brush, a larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. So this is the brush set from Luxie. And the next thing in here is something I knew was going to be in here because I chose this for the month. And this is the Farsali Privé Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. And this is $24. A serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Sounds interesting. Enriched with replenishing provitamin B5, the skin's elasticity appears approved, as well as feeling and looking softer than before. So we shall open this up. Seems pretty big for a serum. Well, it says it's 1 ounce. But so this is what the packaging looks like. If you can see that light blue. It is a glass bottle with a dropper. This is bigger than any 1 ounce bottle I have seen. But it is a thick serum. I cannot wait to see what this does. And the last thing I got is a palette, and I'm a little disappointed because I wanted to get the palette from Beauty Bakery, but we got no Beauty Bakery. We got Ciate London, the Editor palette, and this is a value of $32. And let's see. So this is what the palette looks like on the front. And it says the Editor Palette New England. I don't know. Yeah, that's the name of it, the Editor Palette New England. This is what these shadows look like on the inside. Reminds me of a Makeup Revolution palette. I am a little disappointed because I didn't want the Ciate London palette. I wanted Beauty Bakery, and I feel like I'm sounding like a what do you call it, a brat. But anyway, that is what I got in my Boxycharm box for October. Not my favorite of the boxes I have gotten. Some of this stuff I can't even use, like those Ace Beauté. Don't give me Ace Beauté, give me Ace Beauté palette. I'm not a fan. The lip liners, don't get me wrong, are creamy, but one of them, they didn't even consider my skin tone when they gave me this, because this wouldn't work for me at all. Anyway, that's it, you all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.